Hello, are you ready to learn for today?
Ang lesson natin will be all about similar triangles and its similarity theorems. So these are the following postulates and theorems that gives us a clue wherein if yung mga postulate or theorem na to ay nasunod, pwede nating sabihin na yung dalawang triangles ay similar. For example, AAA similarity postulate. Hindi yan battery na AAA. Ang ibig sabihin ng tatlong A na yan is angle similarity postulate. So it says that if the corresponding angles of a given two triangles are congruent, then the two triangles are said to be similar. So para mas maintindihan natin, ito yung example. And I think this is a property. Di ba kanina, dinidiscuss na natin yan. Corresponding angles that are congruent is a property of similar triangles. Ngayon, binaligtad natin. Kapag daw congruent yung corresponding angles, similar daw yung dalawang triangles. So in this two given triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if angle A is congruent to angle D, if angle B is congruent to angle E, and angle C is congruent to angle F, therefore we can say that triangle ABC is similar with triangle DEF. Gets po? Binaligtad lang. Kanina kasi, sinabi na yung dalawang triangles similar. So, in-apply natin yung property niya. Ngayon, ginamit yung property niya as a theorem to prove to us that the two triangles are similar. So, para mas maintindihan, you answer this using the chat box. So, given these two triangles, triangle TRY and triangle MEH, yan. So, the question here is, given that measurements of the angles of these two triangles, can we say that the two triangles are similar? Yan, as you can see, lahat ng measurements ng corresponding angles natin congruent. Therefore, yes, they are similar. Why? Because of AAA similarity postulate. It states that kahit na ang makita mo lang dun sa dalawang triangle ay yung property na lahat ng corresponding angles ay congruent, we can say that the two triangles are similar. So that is the first similarity postulate or theorem para masabi natin na yung dalawang triangle ay similar. Ito yung pangalawa. O, kung may triple A, may double A. Parang ang battery talaga, no? Anyway, let's have this AA similarity theorem. Yan. So, how will I compare it with the first one? So, kung kanina tatlong angle, dito dalawang angle lang. Yan. So, it says that if two angles of a triangle are congruent to the other two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Ibig sabihin lang yan, kung kanina tatlo, ngayon, dalawa lang yung makita natin sa dalawang triangle na congruent na corresponding angles. Okay na. Pwede na natin sabing similar sila. Pero ang tanong dyan, bakit? Let's have these two examples. Or these two triangles rather. Yan, this triangle and this given triangle. Yeah, they do look the same. So they are like similar triangles. But let's give the values for the angle. So for example, this is 60 degrees. Both of them are 60 degrees and ito congruent din, 70 degrees. Ayan yung ibig sabihin ng two corresponding angles are congruent. Pero bakit natin pwedeng sabihin na similar na tong dalawa gamit lang yan? Ngayon, if gagamitin natin yung idea ng triangle sum theorem, if we add 60 degrees plus 70 degrees plus that missing angle, yan, plus that missing angle, it should be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, class. Ano sa tingin niyo yung sukat nito? Nung missing angle na yan, na hindi natin nilagay as one of the given. Anong sukat niyan? That's gonna be equal to 50 degrees. Kasi 'di ba ang sum nila dapat 180. So ito 50 degrees. Eh katulad din naman nung angle doon sa kabila, 60 at 70 lang din to. So ibig sabihin 50 degrees lang din to. And as you can see, eventually it becomes AAA similarity postulate. Yan. So hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin, 60 degrees na lang tong pangalawa para hindi sila congruent. Hindi pwede 'yon. Dapat ang sum nila 180 kasi triangle to eh. So 50 degrees din yan. Eventually, the third angle will also be congruent. Yun lang yung ipinararating sa atin nung AA similarity theorem. Kaya nga sabi niya, hindi mo kailangan makita na yung tatlong angle congruent or tatlong pairs of corresponding angle congruent. Okay na yung dalawa lang. Pwede mo nang sabihin na similar sila. That's why on this given illustration, yan, if angle A is congruent to angle D and angle B is congruent to angle E, it's already enough for us to say that the two triangles are similar. So let's have this following example. Given that we have here is triangle FOR similar to triangle CRA. Tingnan natin. Based on the values of the angles, angle F is congruent to angle C because both of them measures 50 degrees. Ganon din pagdating kay angle O at kay angle R kasi right angle sila pareha. So they are said to be similar because of AA similarity theorem. May dalawa kang pairs ng congruent angles. Ayan. Next, how about the second one? Is triangle ANG similar with triangle ELG? Parang ang nakikita ko dito, ang congruent lang si angle N at saka si angle L. Ayan o, angle N is 60 degrees, angle L is also 60 degrees. They are similar. At dito sa given natin, isang pair ng angle lang yung binigay. So, hindi natin pwede makumpleto yung AA. Angle NGA is congruent with angle LGE because of what we call the vertical angle theorem. So yes, they are similar because of AA similarity theorem. So let's continue with the third similarity theorem. So ito ay isang property na kanina ng ating similar triangles. Now, if you see corresponding sides of two triangles that are proportional, then we can say that the two triangles are similar. So for example, if we get the ratio of the sides AB over DE on this given two triangles, and it becomes equal to the ratio of AC over DF, and equal din siya dun sa ratio ng pangatlong pair ng corresponding sides, which is BC over EF, we can say that the two triangles are similar. Now, paano natin to makikita sa dalawang triangles? Yan, for example, we have here, yan, is triangle TRY similar with triangle MEH and Y? Now, since sides ang given natin dito, kailangan natin ma-check proportional ba yung measurements ng mga sides nila. Tingnan natin. So, let's get the ratio of the following sides. TR over ME. So, that's going to be equal to 4 over 2. If you get the lowest term of that, that's going to be equal to 2 over 1. Next, TY over MH. That's going to be equal to 8 over 4. Ito yon. And if you get the lowest term of that, that's going to be also equal to 2 over 1. And if you get the ratio of RY over EH, that's going to be 10 over 5. If you get the lowest term of that, that's going to be 2 over 1. That means, as you can see, all of the ratios are equal to 2 over 1. Therefore, they are all proportional. So kapag ganyan yung case, ibig sabihin, pwede nating sabihin na, yes, they are similar because the corresponding sides of these two triangles are proportional using the idea of SSS similarity theorem.
Yan, so magkaroon lang tayo ng mga ganitong exercise. Yan, so let's try this. What similarity theorem can tell that the triangles are similar? So let's have number 1. Ano sa tingin nyo? Parang fresh pa lang ata example ko sa number 1. But anyway, anong similarity theorem ang pwede natin gamitin? Similarity theorem or postulate. Ayan, so they think it's SAS. Tingnan natin. Yes, triangle BAO is congruent with triangle RAD. And if you take a look at the ratio of 9 over 18 and also 6 over 12, that's going to be both equal to 1 half. Therefore, they are proportional as well. Therefore, it follows the pattern. Side angle side. Ayan, so they are similar because of SAS similarity theorem. Okay, how about number 3? Sorry, number 3. Number 2. Pangit ang pagkakasunod. Number 2 muna pala. Ano yung pwede natin gamitin na similarity theorem that can tell us that these two triangles are similar? Ayan, so very good class. It's going to be SSS. Ayan, so if you take a look at the ratio of 16 over TR over SH, that's going to be 16 over 10. If you get the lowest term of that, it's going to be 8 over 5. Pagdating naman kay TY over SE, it's going to be 32 over 20. Ito yun, 32 over 20. That's also equal to 8 over 5. And also, RY over HE, which is equal to 24 over 15. And also equal to 8 over 5. All of the sides are proportional. Therefore, through SSS similarity theorem, the two triangles are similar. Number 3. Ano sa tingin nyo? Hindi naman congruent yung binigay ng angle. Pero alam natin na itong angles na to, kung nasaan si O, ay supplementary because they are linear pair. So we can get the measurement of angle ROT by subtracting it from 180 and we get that is equal to 55 degrees. So congruent siya dyan. So angle ROT is congruent with angle RFH. But that is just only one angle. Paano natin masasabi na similar itong dalawa? Isang pair of angle lang yung congruent. But we can also say angle R is congruent with itself, angle R, because of the reflexive property of equality. Therefore, the two triangles are similar because of two angles being congruent and through AA similarity theorem. Next, number 4. O, para matulungan ko kayo. Gawin natin yan. Okay, yan. So ayan yung sides. O, ito pa. O, ayan yung sides. Mas madali kapag iniikot natin siya. Okay, having or considering the values of the sides and the values given on these two triangles, ano triangles are similar? Ano sa tingin nyo? Theorem or postulate? AAA? Tatlong A ba? Parang wala isang angle nga lang yung specific dyan. It's gonna be yung IN kasi siya lang yung right angle. Yan, tingnan natin. So, if you get the ratio of 25/15, that's gonna be 5/3. If you get the ratio of 15/9, it's also gonna be 5/3. So, the two pairs of corresponding sides are proportional already. And if you take a look, angle P and L is congruent with angle L and A because both of them are right angles. So, hindi siya pala reflexive proper because of SAS similarity theorem. Gets po? Yan, so, ganyan natin ina-apply yung iba't ibang theorems and postulates about similar triangles. Sasagutan natin. So, which of the following pairs of triangles are similar? So, you are gonna answer me on the chat box, yes or no lang. Ay, S kapag ka-similar, and then, dito na nalagay, S kapag ka-similar, and then sabihin nyo, i-type nyo sa chat box, and S kung tingin nyo hindi sila similar. And then once they are similar, I will ask again a question, bakit sila similar? So, ang isasagot nyo sa akin ay yung tatlo. Ano mga property na pwedeng isagot natin dyan? We have ASA, and then unahin na natin yung AAA, AA, similarity theorem, SSS, similarity theorem, and then SAS. Okay, let's start with number 1. They think it's a similar triangle, type S if it is, and S if not similar. Ano sa tingin nyo? Oh, mali. Oh, class. Mali o tama yung tingin yung sagot, i-type nyo. Tingnan natin kung naintindihan nyo. Okay, based on the given angles, are they similar? The answer is yes. Bakit? O sige, anong theorem yung pwede natin gamitin dyan? I-type nyo sa chat box. May apat kayong pagpipilian. AAA, AA, SSS, or SAS. So the correct answer here is AAA similarity postulate. Bakit? Doon sa mga nagsagot ng no, pwedeng nasabi nyo, di naman congruent, 60 to ito 30 ah. Tignan nyo, 90 degrees to. Pag in-add mo yan, magiging 150. Ano na isang angle? 30. Congruent siya dito. Ito naman 30 degrees. Pag in-add mo siya sa 90, 120. Ano na kulang? 60 para maging 180. Congruent siya dito. So yung tatlong angles congruent. So using the AAA similarity postulate, they are said to be similar. Number 2. Anong sagot nyo? Are they similar or not? Yes, very good. They are similar. And anong theorem ang pwede, or postulate ang pwede natin gamitin? Yan, sige, very good. The answer is SAS. If you get the ratio of this one, 2/3, that will be equal to 12/18 because the lowest term of 12/18 is 2/3 as well. And since itong dalawang angle natin ay congruent, applicable nga sa SAS similarity theorem. Number 3. Unang tanong, are they similar using the following given? S or NS? Similar or not similar? The correct answer is similar. Una, meron lang tayong dalawang given. So yes, meron tayong angles sa congruent. Pero saan natin magagamit itong dalawang side na ito na sinabing congruent? Wala naman sinabing congruent sides pagdating sa similar triangles. Proportional sides. Okay, number 4. Ano sagot nyo? Similar or not similar? Sige, type your answers on the chat box. Ayan, so the answer here is, yes, they are similar. Ayan. Ano ang pwede natin gamitin na theorem? Very good. So it's gonna be SSS similarity theorem. Bakit? Itong dalawang triangle na to ay equilateral. So kung ito 4, sabihin na, for example lang, kunyari 4 lahat ng measurements ng side. O di kunyari ito naging 2, o dito lahat. 2. O kung naging 1 yan, o di 1 lahat. But if you get the ratio of them, they will be all equal, 4/1, 4/1, 4/1. So proportional yung sides ng dalawang equilateral.
I hope you understand the lesson for today. Until next time, bye!